Hey YouTube, welcome to Credit Viral. In this video, I'm going to tell you a secret trick to upgrade the Capital One credit card. Yes, and you know what upgrade means. It means to have higher credit limits and credit cards with more perks in it. So yes, remember to watch this video till the end in order to learn this secret trick. And remember that right after this video I am going to upload another video which will allow you to get a $25,000 loan from Capital One Bank with bad credit. So in order to watch that video, please click on the subscribe button and click on the bell icon so you will get notified whenever we upload that video for you. So now, without wasting any time, let me show you step by step how you can use this secret trick to upgrade your Capital One credit card now. And here is the countdown. 3, 2, 1, let's go. So right here in front of you, I am going to paste a secret link below in the video's description. So yes, you can click on it and upgrade your Capital One credit card, but watch this video till the end because I am going to show you exactly how you can use that link to upgrade your Capital One credit card from Platinum to Quicksilver, or from Platinum to Venture or Quicksilver, or from Quicksilver to Venture, or from Venture to Quicksilver. Whatever you want to have, you can have it using that secret link below in the video's description. But I am going to show you the first step with the basics. So for example, if you have a Capital One Platinum card, that's the lower tier card, or you can say the basic card of Capital One. So if you have that card, all you need to do, you need to click on the secret link that I have pasted in the video's description. When you click on it, a window will open and they will ask you for your Capital One bank's or credit card's username and password. Don't worry about it. It is the Capital One site, so yes, you are not going anywhere. When you click on it, that link belongs to the Capital One credit card actual site. So please don't be afraid. It's a legit link and it's gonna take you on the Capital One's bank website. So yes, you are going to do it on their own website. Not a lot of people know about the secret link, so please do it as soon as possible. But when you log in to your Capital One account using that link, this window will appear. So what this window will do, they will show you your current card right here and they will give you an option to upgrade it to the different card. So either they will show you this one or this one. So let me just tell you what is Quicksilver. The Capital One Platinum card is the basic one. It has no perks, so I'm not gonna talk about it. Now the Quicksilver one, if you're going to upgrade to Quicksilver, there is no application fee. Same account and card number will remain, so whatever you have with your Platinum card. The APR is variable from 24.24%. It's minimum $400 credit limit, and remember, when you upgrade it, it can upgrade your credit limit to either double or triple it, so keep that in mind. So the last one, please know that this upgrade doesn't include promotional offers or bonus that are for new customers only, so keep that in mind. So this is Quicksilver, and one of the greatest thing about Quicksilver credit card, if you're going to upgrade it using that secret link, that it has 1.5% cashback on every purchase anywhere. So this is a pretty good perk. You know, you're gonna get 1.5% cashback on every purchase. Now let's talk about the second card you can upgrade to. The second card is Venture. So the Quicksilver is actually the cashback card and the Venture is actually for the traveling, right? So it can actually make you earn the travel miles and other sort of perks which are related to the air industry, or you can say to the travel industry. So yes, it actually gives you 2 miles for every dollar spent. It does have a $95 annual fee, so keep that in mind if you travel a lot. So this card is for you. There's no application required, of course, because that secret link will allow you to upgrade your credit card from your simple basic Capital One credit card to the Venture or Quicksilver. Of course, with no application, it's just a simple click. And the other one is that account and card number will remain the same. Right here, the APR is much lower than the Quicksilver. Right here is 14.15%, and you can see right here is 24.24%. So keep that in mind. They give much higher credit lines. Remember, of course, because like right here in my case, they were actually giving me around $22,000 credit limit, and that's what I have with Capital One. So that's what it is. So it totally depends what is your credit limit right now, and they can increase it when you upgrade it. So keep that in mind. And again, the last thing, that please note that this upgrade doesn't include promotional offers or bonuses that are for new customers only, right? So when you actually click on upgrade, either in any of the card right here, when you click on upgrade, this window will appear. If you're going to upgrade to Quicksilver, right here as you can see, then it will actually ask you to finalize the upgrade. For example, it will tell you the rewards you're gonna get, the annual fee is 0, and then when you click on agree and Quicksilver terms and conditions, then you will click on card upgrade, and it will upgrade your card, and you will receive your card within next 5 to 7 business days, and this window will appear. Actually, my bad, it's not 5 to 7, it's 7 to 10 business days. So yes, that's when you can get this card. And then with the Quicksilver one, of course, if you do that, then of course right here they will also say the same thing. It's gonna take 7 to 10 business days. You must be thinking how I have these 2 windows, because yeah, I upgraded my 2 cards because I had 2 Capital One credit cards. So yes, that's what it is. So one day you're gonna have that $22,000 limit with Capital One as well. Don't worry about it if you are in the rebuilding phase or initial phase of your credit. So keep that in mind. And of course, on Credit Viral channel, we post a lot of great videos just for you, which will allow you to get credit cards, loans, and credit lines pretty easily, and most of the time with just no credit check at all. And remember that right after this video, I am going to upload another video which will allow you to get a $25,000 loan from Capital One Bank with bad credit. So in order to watch that video, please click on the subscribe button and click on the bell icon, so you will get notified whenever we upload that video for you. And don't forget to like this video. It helps the channel grow, and it also motivates us to bring more great content just for you. So thank you so much. I'll see you in the next video. Please let me know in the comment below how it went. Take care.